Welcome back to 20 Bike, where we explore the latest machines shaping the streets. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Royal Enfield Hunter 350, a motorcycle built to bring urban fun, style, and simplicity together in one compact package. Street-friendly design. The 2025 Hunter 350 stays true to its identity as a lightweight, agile city bike. Its upright ergonomics, slim tank, and compact frame make it easy to maneuver through tight traffic. The updated color options and refined finishes give it a fresh, youthful appeal while keeping that classic Royal Enfield charms. Performance and ride feel. Powered by the familiar 349cc single-cylinder engine, the Hunter 350 continues to deliver a smooth, predictable ride. With its balanced tuning, this model suits both new riders and city commuters who prefer effortless torque and relaxed cruising. The bike's low seat height and comfortable suspension make it welcoming for riders of all sizes. Updated tech and features. For 2025, the Hunter 350 brings small but meaningful improvements. Its digital analog console offers essential ride information, and select variants include smartphone connectivity for turn-by-turn navigation. The braking setup and chassis remain confidence-inspiring, giving riders stability without adding unnecessary bulk. Why the Hunter 350 still stands out. The Hunter 350 continues to shine as one of the most approachable and stylish entry-level motorcycles. It balances affordability, reliability, and everyday practicality, making it a solid option for urban riders who want a fun, easygoing machine without overcomplicating things. Outro. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning into 20 Bike. If you enjoyed this quick look at the 2025 Royal Enfield Hunter 350, be sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Ride safe, and we'll catch you in the next video.